So let us discuss about section of solids. So in this section we are going to discuss about a cube, so which gives you a regular hexagon shape when you are cutting the cube. So the problem is this is the problem. True shape of the section of a cube is a regular hexagon. Draw the front view showing section plane, top view in section. If the length of the edge is 40 mm, what is the length of the side of the hexagon in the true shape of the section? What is the inclination of the plane? What is the inclination of the plane? So first we draw a line, that is a reference line. We mention it as XY line. Draw the reference line XY. To construct the cube, if you draw the cube like this, if you draw the cube like this, like this. So when you draw the front view, if you cut it, we will not get the hexagon shape. So we have to tilt this cube, that is the top face of the cube, inclined 45 degree. So draw a horizontal line, measure 45 degree, and then draw a line for 40 mm. So this is a line for 40 mm, inclined 45 degree. Now keep your protractor at this point, and take 90 degree, draw a line for 40 mm. Again keep your protractor at this point, again take 90 degree and draw a line for 40 mm. Now join these two corners, you will get the square of sides 40, 40, 40. That is a cube bottom and top face. Now mark the points. Measure. So this is the length 40 mm. Mark the points A, B, C, D. That is the top face of the cube. And P, Q, R, S is the bottom face of the cube. Now draw projection lines. So draw projection lines from the point C, D and A up to XY line. So these are the projection lines which are drawn. So now mark the points, projection lines, draw the projection lines and mark the points. So you can see bottom point P dash, Q dash and S dash, R dash. Now from this point draw a vertical line to complete the front view for 40 mm. So this height of the line is 40 mm. So from P dash, Q dash and R dash, and mark the points. So A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Now join the points. So it is closed in the front view. You can see here. So this is the front view. So closed in front view. This is the front view of the cube. Now we have to make a cutting plane. The height, mark the height 40 mm. And here the distance between A dash and B dash, if you measure, you will get 28.28. So for round off, I marked it as 28. Now we have to construct the cutting plane. So the cutting plane cutting the front view makes the top view like a hexagon, regular hexagon. So for that, measure the distance between P dash and Q dash and mark the center point. Mark the center point. And similarly from C dash to D dash, C dash to D dash, measure the distance. So it will be 28.28 in centimeter, sorry, 28.28 in mm and 2.82 in centimeter. So 1.41 in centimeter, 1.41. So from C dash we can measure 1.41 and mark the point. From similarly P dash measure 1.41, mark the point. Now you can see the cutting plane. You can see the cutting plane. So see the cutting plane. It is at the midpoint and here it is also at the midpoint. Now if you draw the projection lines, if you draw the projection line from here to here and from here to here, you will get a hexagon shape. You can see it. Mark the points here, the cutting points. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. Front face and back face. Front face and back face of the cube. So this 1, 2, 3 you can see it here. You can see 1, 2, 3. That is the front face and back face 4, 5, 6. So when you're marking it, you can see it. So this is a projection line drawn from the point 3 dash and 4 dash and from 1 dash and 6 dash. Now you extend this line towards here. You extend the lines towards here, you will get the point 1. You extend the line from here to here, you will get point number 3. And this is point number 4 and this is point number 6. And 5 and 2 will be at the corners of the cube. 5 and 2. So 2 will be here at the corner and 5 will be at this corner. Now you can see. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see here. You can see a regular hexagon. When you cut like this, when you make the cutting plane like this, you can see a regular hexagon shape in the top view. In the top view. Now you shade this line. You have to give a hatch lines. To give you hatch lines. So this is the top section view of the cut solid. And we need to measure the angle between the cutting plane and the XY line, that is 55 mm. That is, 55 degree. So XY line to the cutting plane is 55 degree. It is mentioned in the question to measure the angle. Now to draw the true shape of the section, we have to construct another reference line, x1, y1 line, parallel to the cutting plane, So this is parallel to this plane. This is parallel to this plane. So it is given the same color. Now mark x1, y1. Now draw projection line from the point 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash up to x1, y1 line. The line should be 90 degree to the cutting plane and the reference line. And the reference line x1, y1. You can see. So it will be 90 degree. It will be 90 degree for x1, y1 line, 90 degree for the cutting plane. Now measure the distance from 1 dash to 6. That is xy line to the point 6 by using compass. So extend from here, you can draw an arc. Keep your compass pointer here and draw an arc. Extend this line towards the arc point. You will get the point 6 suffix 1. Then measure the distance from xy line to the point 5. This is the point 5. So from here to here measure the distance. So come to here, come to this line and keep your compass pointer, draw an arc, draw an arc. Extend this line towards the arc. You will get the point 5 suffix 1. You will get the point 5 suffix 1. Similarly, measure the distance from XY line to the point 4 by using compass. Keep your compass pointer here, draw an arc. Now extend this line towards the arc point, Now you will get 4 suffix 1, 5 suffix 1 and 6 suffix 1. So similarly, from the point 6 to from the point 1, from the point 6 to from the point 1. So 6 1 is here, keep your compass pointer here, draw an arc. Now extend this line up to the arc, You will get 1 suffix 1, Similarly, from the point 5 to 2, keep your compass pointer on 5 and pencil to up to 2. Measure the distance, keep your compass pointer in the 5 suffix 1 point, draw an arc. So extend the line, you will get this. Extend the line up to this arc, you will get 2 suffix 1. Now measure the distance between 4 to 3. And keep your compass pointer on 4 suffix 1, draw an arc. You will get the point 3 suffix 1. When you extend this line towards the arc, you will get 3 suffix 1. So you can see here. So you got the lines 4 suffix 1, 3 suffix 1, 5 suffix 1, 2 suffix 1, 1 suffix 1 and 6 suffix 1. If join all the points, join 6, 5, 1, 5 suffix 1 to 4 suffix 1, 4 suffix 1 to 3 suffix 1, 3 suffix 1 to 2 suffix 1, 2 suffix 1 to 1 suffix 1. You got a regular hexagon shape. Now you can measure the distance. Now and shade the hexagon. So like this you have to shade it. Now measure the distance. So it is asked. So measure the distance from 4 to 3 or any particular distance.